I'm not going to have much time off in the next several days, so I don't really have time to do another painting video, but I'm just showing you what I'm up to. These are the two pours that I decided to keep. They're going to be in my bathroom. I see a fish in this one, so I'm going to paint in the eye and a little outline, and maybe some reeds, cellophane reeds across the front. Excuse my voice today, it's allergy season. And over here I still have to get to doing the water in this one, and once I do that, it'll be a little ocean scene or whatever. I know I shouldn't do that. I should just take the pours the way they are, but it's just part of my nature, I guess, to want to mess with things. I was just watching a lady called Jilly, and she was talking about a brand called MontMarte, and she said it's available in the US. I looked, it's on Amazon. I haven't seen it in the stores here. Since I failed on my pouring medium by trying to follow directions of people in videos, I decided instead to use their recipe, but not with their, I don't know if I should share that. Sorry. Well, it's online. Not their products because I can't get them easily. I'm going to do this with Elmer's glue. Let's see. Adding paint to your pouring medium. Where's the pouring medium recipe, dude? Ah! Oh well. Did I throw that out by accident? Oh, here. Okay, so the PVA glue will be this Elmer's glue, which is, I'm told, one of the good ones. You can't use the school glue, but the other ones are okay. I have, well, I don't have gloss medium, acrylic gloss medium. I have satin, so I'll be using that. And, of course, water. And what caught my eye in this recipe is the use of acrylic retarder. Now, even though paints that you pour are usually made of acrylic, they dry slowly, so I don't know why this retarder would be in here. But I have, as you know if you've been watching me, so much retarder on hand. Bottles and bottles of it. I'm just going to do this recipe just to get rid of some of it. So, yeah, there's about an ounce, a little over an ounce of it in here. So, I'm going to put that together today. And I'm going to complete these guys. I am finally going to get back to this oil painting, and I may do that on camera next week. I'm going to put a tractor in here, and maybe it have to be about that little, a farm way over there. So, get that done, and just get this show on the road. So, yeah, that's just an update of where I am today. And, like I said, I'm not going to be available to do videos for the next week or so. So this is going to be what you're going to have for the next week. So hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you come back. And please like and subscribe. It helps the channel to grow. Thank you. Bye-bye.